Yes, yan. 6 years old. Camarines Norte champion para Kali boxing tournament. 6 na taon pa lang yan. Let's go, shadow fight. Okay, good. Sinong gusto mong makalaban? Anong pangalan ng gusto mong makalaban?
Sonic.
Sonic.
Amon din kita Sonic.
Anong pangalan mo?
Ken Conor Subion.
Ken Conor Subion. Shadow na. Shadow. Pakita mo nga yung shadow fight mo. Go. Nice. Okay, good. Ilang taong ka na? 6. Oh, pero nag-champion na yan, guys. Nag-champion na yan sa Camarines Norte para Kali boxing tournament. Ayan. First fight. First fight. Pero champion agad. Alright. Very good. So napanood natin yung laban ng batang si Ken Conor Subion. Yan, siya po yung naka-red na maliit na bata, 6 years old from Catanduanes boxer. Ayan, support natin yung bata na yan. Napakagaling yan. Napakalupit, di ba? Ang angas niya, di ba? So, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and share. Okay, thank you very much. Peace out.